Welcome back to the Basin Motorsports Garage for another day at a car show. So today is Saturday and I'm out at a local show called the Kruise of Klamath. As you can see behind, this is probably the biggest car show we have in town. Now it's probably in the 250 to 300 cars expected today. I am in category 31, which is 1977 and newer. So this show is specialized to 76 and older. So they have a kind of a throw it all, anything 77 newer category is in. So the wide body, the WideFox is down there. I've already wiped it down and I just need to finish up the tires. So quick bathroom break, headed back, get some tires wiped down, and I'm going to show you kind of what's sitting out here for, I guess you could say, the competition. Okay, so the WideFox is wiped down and now I'm kind of walking through all the cars. So I do have a valet for 5 of the classes plus best in show to walk around in. So I'm walking around casting my votes in that. So they kind of mix it up. There's 31 classes. You get 5 individual classes plus best in show for everybody, and they're all, I won't say random, but they're not going to vote on the same class you're in. So I'm in class 31. I have class 2, 8, 14, 20, and 26. So kind of walking around doing all that. So you can see behind that is the show there. And there's a lot of cars here. A lot of very nice cars here. How many Foxbodies? None. Wide bodies? None. Vinyl wrapped cars? I'm going to say again, none. So I think I've got the 101 build down pat. So these are some of the favorites that I saw from the show today. And I'll do the best to get some good footage of engines and that. Lots of great ideas here to incorporate into new builds in the future. Hi y'all, so we made it home. No problems with the wide body running. Still got some things I want to work on. Every time I drive it, I feel like I find something more I want to make a little bit better. So from the show today, no awards, which is a-okay. There was 387 cars there, which was a good day. Again, no awards, but I won a case of 530 oil from the sponsor of the class, the open class, kind of the 77 and newer class. So I'll definitely take that. A couple of oil filters, and keep the trucks running for another few thousand miles with the new oil change. So I just got to unpack here, and I've got a 3-week break to the next show, which will be in Sun River, Oregon. It's about a 2.5-hour drive north. So that'll be kind of fun to do, more than just going to town and back. It'll be something new, whole new audience to show the wide body with. It's always a good time showing the wide body. You never know the comments you're going to get. Somebody's always had a Fox in their life, whether it was a relative, friend, etc. Even had a guy tell me that he had a 78 Mustang II, and it was like a Foxbody. No, it's not. So that's it, guys. Got to get this thing unpacked up and go get some Advil. My head is splitting from all the sun the last 2 days. So that's it. Got to do the custom tire letters in a couple weeks. A review of the selfie stick I'm holding with the phone. And probably just give it another good wash. This thing's dirty. That's it. See you next time.